Hi, my name is Jason Morgan, welcome into my studio, and I wanted to bring you a very quick video because I've literally just received the brand new Derwent lightfast coloured pencils. So let's take a look at them in some more detail. Okay, straight away this release of 100% lightfast coloured pencils tells us that Derwent really are starting to take the permanence of this range, its lightfastness, very seriously, and they know that more and more artists are demanding a high degree of lightfastness in their coloured pencils. So currently here's the colour range that we've got. Open the box, comes with this little pamphlet, this leaflet as well, and that explains the lightfastness, various things about pencils and these oil-based pencils in general, so layering, mixing, blending, just hints and tips. And then they also gives us a summary of the testing methods, exactly how they've done it, to what standards, and also the colours in the range and exactly how they performed. So I've just zoomed in now so that you can actually see the end tip of the barrel. You can actually see the colours that they've currently got in the range. So there's 36 colours currently available. If I show you the tips as well, I'm not sure how well it's actually showing. So as mentioned, we've currently got 36 maximum in the range, and Derwent tells me that more colours are going to be added during 2019 as further colours are created and tested. Now the 100% light fastness rating means that all the colours will last over 100 years. Now that's under museum conditions. So that's something to keep in mind. That's what this testing always means, under museum conditions. Now the colours have been tested in Arizona, and then they've been given a blue wool rating. So that's a different type of test, and they've all got between 7 and 8, which is excellent for every colour. And they also conform to the ASTM 6901 standard, and they are all 100% light fastness. Now that's the highest level that can be achieved. Now the range is released now in the UK, so you can get them already here, and from the 1st of September I believe it is. So if you keep an eye on the derwentart.com site, then you know you can get all the data for when exactly they're going to be released in the USA. Now, great thing about this range, each colour at the moment can be bought in sets of 12, 24 and 36, and importantly they can also be purchased individually. So for those of you that actually want to try out a pencil, just to see if you actually like it before you start investing in the larger sets, it's great to be able to get them individually like that. I've done just a very quick test because, like I said, they've only just arrived and I've just removed the top packaging, pulled out a single pencil, compared them very quickly to some of my others, and for those of you that want to know this type of thing, for me they feel very similar in hardness and the way they lay down smoothly to something like a polychromos, and that means that they are smoother to lay down than the Derwent Pro Color, which is a wax based pencil. So for those that have already built up a large coloured pencil set, probably familiar with polychromos, they feel very similar to that. So that's really great because I love the polychromos as well. Below the video I'll put some links now to the colour charts, to the light fastness test results, because I know lots of you like to study that in detail before you start spending a lot of money on pencils, and also the brochure that comes with the set of pencils as well. So you'll be able to look and study that before you start buying them. Those links will be below the video. So I hope you found this quick video of some use. I'll be trying the pencils out real soon and having a proper test of them. But in the meantime, I thought I'd bring you this real quick video. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all again real soon. If you're looking for even more great art sources, I've really got you covered. First off, I've got a Patreon channel that's been going well over a year or so. packed with around about 50 or more videos and new ones every month. Lots of the videos are many hours long, so you can see they're really in-depth. Subjects such as turtles, birds, elephants, big cats, you name it, is on there. So that's my Patreon channel. And also on that Patreon channel, before I go on to something else, I've got a secret Facebook group. So only the members are actually on there. It's the most supportive and friendly Facebook group that I've ever seen. I know I'm biased, but it really is. We've got 400 or 500 members on there, and they all help each other. So that's a great added bonus. That comes free with it. Also, you get line art every month as well. And we've just designed a brand new companion website for it. So if you've joined other Patrons and channels and you found it very difficult to navigate around, we got this free website that comes with it. All the videos are now just a single click away. It couldn't be any easier than it is. I've also got my site, jasonmorgan.co.uk, lots of tutorial videos, DVD discs and downloads on there. And if you're struggling for reference photos for your art projects, I've got some of those too. I've got 900 plus on my website, wildlifeart-online.com, and they will be copyright free for you, so you can paint and draw from them and sell your work with no copyright worries whatsoever. So hope you like those extra resources, and I'll see you all again real soon.